හෙලෝ
ආස
මොකද කරන්නේ?
මම පොඩ්ඩක් නිදාගෙන චුට්ටක් ඇහැරලා මේ Facebook එකේ පැත්තේ පොඩ්ඩක් ගියා.
දැන් කොහමද ප්‍රෝග්‍රස් එක?
ප්‍රොග්‍රස් එක දැන් හොඳයි. මේ දැන් පොඩ්ඩක් සිලෙක්ෂන් කරගෙන යනවා කට්ටියව දැන් මේ ඒක
මේ
දැනුවත් කරන්න කලින් මම
ඔය
හදාගෙන.
ඔයාට ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්ද?
මට එහෙම ඉතින් මගේ ලෙවල් එක නම් එච්චර හොඳටම කතා කරන්න බෑ. නෝමලි මට මැනේජ් කරගන්න පුළුවන්.
මාත් ඒක ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් කතා කරන්න ඒතර හරි. අමාරුද?
එහෙම
අමාරුනේ.
නෑ අමාරුවක් නෑ. ඉතින් මට පොඩ්ඩක් ගැට ගහ ගන්න පුළුවන්. මට සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම full කතා කරන්න ටිකක් අමාරුයි. I can manage.
You can manage නේද? How many English teachers have you selected already? බැරි දැන් දිනවා මට කියන්න කතා කරන්න තේරෙන්නේ නැති තියෙනවා නම් ඈ.
ඔව් මම තේරෙන්නේ නැතිවක් තියෙනවා සරි. අහන්නම් කතා
ඔව්.
I
How
think
many English teachers have you selected already for your platform? මං කිව්වේ ඔයාගේ දැන් කරන platform එකට කොච්චර ඉංග්‍රීසි ගුරු දැන් තෝරාගෙන ඉන්නවද කියලා කිව්වේ.
ඔය තමයි මට තේරෙනවා ඔක්කොම මට ඒ ටික කතා කරන ඒවා ටික මට තේරුම් ගන්න පුළුවන්. The language of the universe is about emotional reading and emotional feelings expressing. So my system, the system that I'm going to develop for teaching English is about IELTS practicing.
That's somewhat difficult, I think, that because you can't get the students because you are going to do that online tuition, neda?
Reading, writing, speaking, listening.
Listening.
Yeah, four categories.
I think that is it fruitful for you?
So we are doing weekly assessment. And Saturday we have to do a weekly assessment. Saturday we have to do every Saturday we need to unlearn our learnings.
That means you are not going to start
Because
language class.
I have only a certificate in advanced English diploma because I'm not qualified for teaching. If you
No,
have to teach,
then through my experience, I am telling to you, to teach English, certificates are not necessary. If you are fluent in English, if you can handle the language, that's more than enough. There are so many persons in the society who have certificates, but they are not in a position to teach English well.
Yeah, that's the thing. I get it. The problem is the people already teaching their subjects, but they don't know the science behind them. The brain science they need to know. You just take people and you start teaching. That is not
last week I mentioned about the girl, Wonder Girl of India.
I didn't have that. I'll look into that. Wonder Girl.
Is it good?
Unfortunately, I didn't have.
Were you unable to find it?
Wonder Girl.
Wonder Girl.
The girl which sings in English. So
she always speak in English. 14 years old.
14 years old. Wonder Girl. In Indian girl.
Indian girl.
I'll look into that in YouTube.
Still, you have not started that, ne?
No, I didn't look into that.
You have taken so much time for that, I think.
I forgot the name of the YouTube girl that when you spoke from the last time.
I can't. There is a name. I can't remember the name, but everybody says that she's the Wonder Girl of the world.
Wonder Girl. Wow, you do good.
Try to always try to speak in English so that we'll be able to improve your knowledge in process of time.
Yeah. Speaking.
Otherwise, one thing I am going to give you is when you speak English with the people, always try to use the simple language which can be understood for the others.
Simple language.
That's it. Simple language.
Communication skills.
Yes.
The sign language is the best language for communicating because there are 100 languages in the world.
Yeah.
So it takes 10, the research shows it takes 10 months to learn English.
Oh, that through my experience, I am telling to you, although so many persons tell that they can teach English within 20 days, 50 days, 6 months,
Yeah.
3 months, but that is, I think, impossible. Impossible. They are telling big lies.
Mm-hmm. It's
It takes
more about self research and self study.
self-study is very much important
Mm-hmm.
to learn English.
Mm-hmm.
But within 2 months, you can't learn English. No, nobody can learn English. Certain
Mm-hmm.
extent they can understand English, but it takes much time to speak fluently in
Yeah,
English.
the research data says 10 months to learn English.
එහෙම කියනවා. ඉතින් මම කිව්වට ඒක මට නම් ඒවා කියන්න බෑ. මාස 7-8ක්වත් ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉගෙනගෙන කතා කරන්න ලියන්න කියන්න පොඩ්ඩක් පුරුදු වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ටෙන්සස් දැනගත්තට හරිද? ටෙන්සස් ඔය ප්‍රිපොසිෂන් ඇඩ්ජෙක්ටිව් ඇඩ්වර්බ්ස් දැනගත්තට ග්‍රැමටික කරාට ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් කතා කරන්න බෑ. අර පැටර්න් හුඟක් ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ. පැටර්න් ඉගෙනගෙන භාෂාව හරවන විදිය ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ. හුඟක් ඒ එක්කම මේ මොකද්ද මේ සිංහලෙන් හිතලා කතා කරන්න ගියපුවාම කතා කරන්න බැරුව යනවා. සිංහලෙන් හිත ඉස්සල්ලා සිංහලෙන් හිතුවට කමන්නේ අපි මව් භාෂාවනේ බත් ටික ටික ඒක අවම කරගන්න ඕනේ. කාලයක් යෑමේ. ඒක තමයි හරියන්නේ. අදවයි අනිත් එක තමයි මේ දැන් ඔය මේ අලුත් ගුරු ඉන්නෝ නේද? සර්ටිෆිකේට් තියෙනවා.
ඔව්.
ඕල් වලින් භාෂා නමන මට ගොඩාක් මුණ ගැහිලා තියෙනවා. මේගොල්ලෝ කතා කරන්න ගිහම හිර වෙනවානේ කතා කරන්න බෑ. ඒගොල්ලෝ නරක නෙමෙයි මං කියන්නේ. තරුණ අය ඒගොල්ලෝ කතා කරන්න ගිහම ඒගොල්ලන්ට තව කාලෙ ඕනේ. එතනට එන්න තව කාලෙ යනවා.
What do you mean by are you fit on your gaze? Is there any reason why we say that? Is it a pattern?
Because I have the pattern is very much necessary to talk in English.
Are you fit on your gaze? Is there any meaning for that?
Beg your pardon, I can't understand. Beg your pardon.
Are you fit on your grace? Grace, GRACE.
Grace.
Yes.
I can't say about that. But there is my own method, which is very useful. And then please tell me briefly your method, what are you going to do? That means you told me that just before that you are going to teach with your English teachers. IELTS your exam
IELTS.
Oh,
band.
Yes. What is the procedure of doing? Because I have a book that with me that's completely different to other books. Language is same, but language is hard. Have you read that book?
I'm on WhatsApp in my number. You can send me if you have a soft copy. I will look into that. What is the name of the book, sir?
Disanayaka.
Disanayaka, the name of the book?
Chandu Disanayaka.
Is it available online?
Yes, I have WhatsApp. But I'm not doing online tuition, okay? I reject that because only I am doing home visiting classes.
Home visiting classes.
So that's good, I think. International students, and there are 2 students I teach. They'll go to, that means slit. කරගෙන යනවා. ඉතින් මට මට මතක හරගෙන කිටිය මතකයි. His name is Mr. Bernard. හරි? When I was in the training college in 95 and 96, he came to our class for teaching literature. All the books he explained in simple language. Simple language. But he died. When I was 25 years old, I was in the Bolawalan Training College. I was there nearly 2 years. My first school is at, I don't know whether I told you it, Padaviya School.
Padaviya.
I worked there nearly 1 month. After that, I got my transfer to Avukana, very close to Kalaweva. There also I work Galnav Center. You may have heard about that. I think that
Galnav, no?
Galnav Center College.
Uh-huh.
There was a principal called Mr. Nonis, right?
Mm-hmm.
He was the once principal of Bandaranaike College. Nonis.
Bandaranaike College means Weyangada Gamba.
Weyangada Gampagadawa. It was Weyangada Gia. Nonis. After that, he became the provincial director. Now he is on pension. In 2004, I joined the President's College at Mahara. I worked there until I got my pension. දැන් ගෙදර මේ දවස්වල මේ මොකද කරන්නේ? කම්මැලි නැද අම්මා බයිනවද?
අම්මා ටිකක් ඉතින් බයිනවා තමයි.
ඒක බැන්නනේ නේද?
ඒ කියන්නේ මේක the A-level streams we focus on A-level arts and commerce subjects.
You did commerce subjects or art subjects for A-level?
I did maths for A-level, but I failed.
After that, you did commerce subjects?
No, I didn't do the subjects, but the program that I am scheduled to be happen in the near future will be focused on majorly 8 subjects. First one is Sinhala, Buddhist civilization,
Buddhist civilization, media,
political science, general English. Yes, then in
I'll tell you one thing. General English, Hari. These days, most of the students who do advanced level examinations are not interested in general English. Why is that?
I don't know the requirement of them. Is it general English means that is the difference between general English and spoken English?
Yeah, those days I did general English for students. After that I stopped that because they are not interested. That is not profitable.
Okay.
Profitable.
Then other 3 subjects is account, business studies and accounting.
In that means single medium.
Yeah, I'm choosing monks to do the programs. So there are 8 monks. මං ගන්න එතකොට මං හිතන් ඉන්නේ මේ අපේ ආමුදුරු කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා තෝරගෙන ඒගොල්ලන්ට කතා කරලා ඒගොල්ලන්ගෙන් සම්බන්ධ කරන්න තමයි හිතන් ඉන්නේ. I have
what are the qualifications they have in English wise?
It's about handling media. It's if you control the media, you can control anything it says. Everything is geography, it says.
English medium.
English medium, it's about I have developed a method called focus blocks.
Is it good? You have confidence in yourself that will it be progress?
Yeah, it will work. It will work. For example, if I say prices.
Is it under supervision?
If you say prices, we remove P, then it becomes rices. If you remove R, then it becomes I. So
one day I would like to meet your English teachers. Would you let me to meet them?
They are available online.
They are not. No. I like to meet them. That means I like to talk personally, not online, face to face.
It's about the 1 minute with Koda sir. They have developed an app, face to face speaking, just like this way. So when you keep, they give a person to speak and they schedule the time.
I will tell one thing. Take this into your mind seriously. I don't mention the name of him, right? Okay. There is a person who is having classes online. That means YouTube. එකේ යනවා නම් මම නම් කියන්නේ හරිද? ඉතින් ඒකේ පොඩි දේවල් සිංහලෙන් කතා කර කමන්නේ නැහැ නේද?
කමන්නේ නැහැ ඒක ගැල්ලුවන්නේ.
එයා ඉතින් ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් එයා YouTube එකේ කරන සිංහලෙන් කතා කරන වැඩිපුර ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් නෙමෙයි හරියට පැහැදිලි කරලා දෙනවා ඈ.
Okay.
ඉතින් I don't know one day accidentally මට මෑන් මීට් වුණා. YouTube එක හරියට යනවා මම ඌ සිංහලෙන් කතා කරන්නේ ඒක නේ YouTube එකේ. ඉංග්‍රීසි කරන්නේ සිංහලෙන් හරිද? ඕක කතා කරා ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් මු හිර වුණාට මුට කතා කරගන්න බෑනේ මම නම නම් කියන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයා දන්නවා බලන්න හොඳට කවුද කියලා. ගම්පහම ඉන්නේ. හරියට කතා කරගන්න බෑනේ අනේ. ඒ වුණාට YouTube එකේ වැඩෝ.
මෙහෙමයි සර් ඉතින් මේ දැන් වක් සර්ලා ඉන්නවා මේ ආයතනක් තියෙනවා. අපි try කරන්න ඕනේ ඉතින් කාගෙන් ඉගෙන ගත්තත් කමක් නැහැ. ඒ ස්ටයිල් එකට ගැලපෙන එක්කෙනා යාගේ ඔලුවට වදින්න ළමයි ටික තෝරලා ගන්න තියෙනවා. ඒගොල්ලෝ පැටර්න් සෙන්ටෙන්ස් එකට හරියන කට්ටිය කැම්පි වෙන්නත් පුළුවන් නැති වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. It's about finally learning the subject matters. It doesn't matter who you are learning from. Thing is that you get your thing to get the skill, learn a skill.
Teachers should be well read to teach in English. He must know all the grammar structures. He should have a vast knowledge. He should be able to answer any question asked by the students. Right? He should be able to analyze a sentence.
Yeah, it's about experience.
Experience ඉතින් කරන්න මම ඒවත් කරන්න ඕනේ. දැන් ඉතින් මම නම් කරනකොට ගෙවල් වලට ගිහම ඔක්කොම පැහැදිලි මට ඒක හරි ජොලි අප්පා. ඉන්ඩිවිජුවල් ටියුෂන් එක හරි හොඳ උගන්වන්න පුළුවන්. පැහැදිලිව කතා කරලා හොඳට කරන්න පුළුවන්.
We should also use the now technology.
ඉතින් හොඳ නම් යන්න ඔය
times are changing but we need to adapt to the technology. Otherwise we will be left behind.
Technology.
Technology means computer science is all about the spiritual journey. Buddhism. We need to attach those things into our everyday learning criteria.
Comprehensive.
Competencies, no? What do you call that?
Competition. මොකක්ද කිව්වේ මට තේරුන්නේ නැහැ.
Competencies, what we say, the skills we learn.
Competence. Oh, yes.
The competencies.
4 skills. There are 4 skills: reading, writing, speaking, listening. That's very much necessary. We were taught in the training college also, but when we entered the training college, we knew all the things. We just followed the literature class only. That was only value for us and psychology. Very good. I wish you.
Great things take time.
Yeah. Start very quickly, immediately, right? Very quickly.
Rapid action.
And invite me to meet your teachers, right? Okay, Monday if you like. Right? Good night.
Good night, sir.